Hey consumers, I'm your host PSB and you are watching Consumer Awareness. Today in this video I'm going to show you one awesome device which is made by DJI. Yes, DJI Pocket Camera. This is one of the best cameras which I have ever seen in the market. The implementation and the thing which they have created is really very awesome. And if you are into the tech industry or videography industry or YouTube, it is going to be helpful. Watch this video till the end to know more about this device, DJI OSMO Pocket. DJI's OSMO Pocket has a inbuilt gimbal. Yes, 3-axis gimbal. It has already been there. So if you are into the videography industry or if you are in YouTube, it is going to be helpful. How? DJI OSMO Pocket has 3-axis gimbal. It is an inbuilt small compact camera which can record some awesome cinematic footage. As you all know, DJI is one of the best brands who created the drones, who created the gimbals. Yes, those gimbals and those drones are awesome. So that technology is there in DJI OSMO Pocket. Watch this video if you want to know about DJI OSMO Pocket. As you have all seen what DJI OSMO Pocket can do. If you have liked this video, please do hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel. Let us grow, let us be aware of the world and the technologies which are being emphasized and being implemented each and every day. So do stay tuned to my channel, which is Consumer Awareness, and do like, do share, do comment. If you are into tech, if you are into the awareness things, consumer related things, this channel is all for you. Thanks for watching. Till then, peace.